Good day and a very warm welcome to yet another MECAD Minute. My name is Raymond, and within this tutorial we'll be having a look at the ability to go and customize and edit your Feature Manager Design Tree's tree display. What I mean with that is pulling the Feature Manager Design Tree just out like this. By default we see quite a bit of information being displayed. We start by seeing the component name, the component description values if any exist. We see the active configuration and the active display state, if any of them exist. This can seldomly be quite a bit of clutter or unnecessary info to look at, especially if you're not making use of any of the other display states or configurations, for example. To go and edit this, it's quite simple. Simply navigate to the top level assembly name, right click on it, and have a look at the tree display pop-out or flyout. I specifically want to only see the component description values for this example, and I'll just go quickly and deselect the other selected ones. As you guys can see, I'm now only viewing the component description values. I trust this can assist anybody dealing with a very large or complex assembly, and having a look at the feature tree, this can be a lot easier to navigate. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, please take care.